Hello students, I welcome you in the part fourth of this video series of D and F block elements. Now here see that joke. If you see the answer of that joke, the two make walks into a bar and one order S2 and the other says I will have S2O2 and the second one dies. Now see, he said S2O2, but the waiter served him H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide, and that is a strong oxidizing agent. That's why the second man dies. Okay, so here is that discussion why we study them horizontally. The D block element, they are studied horizontally in 3D, 4D, 5D and 6D series, and rather than group wise, okay, as their properties in a period are much similar. And we were discussing the reason for that. As I told you, or we can mention here, it is due to the fact that in transition series in transition metal series or transition element series there is no change there is no change in the number of electron in the outermost, or you can say ultimate cell. Of course, there is some shifting from NS to N-1 D subcell due to the more stability, to make the electron configuration more stable. Apart from that, the number of electron in the outermost cell, that is NS subcell of the outermost orbit, they are going to be fixed. Okay, so due to this, only N-1 D subcell electron, N-1 D subcell electrons has or have variation of electron number from one element to other. Now the question arises, why the S block and B block elements, they have similar property in group? Because in group, if you remember, the same thing lies there. The valence electron configuration of one group is fixed. Suppose in first group it is NS1, in second group you can say it is NS2. So same kind of thing which was found in S block and B block element group wise, that is being found here horizontally, period wise. That's why they have similarity in properties horizontally. Hence we study them in period wise format, that is 3D series, 4D series, 5D series and 6D series, and not as group wise. Okay, Okay, now we see some of the series 3D, 4D and 5D series, the elements included there and how we can remember them. Okay, I'll tell you some desi funda, some rhymes type lines which you remember. If you remember, then you can remember these elements as per their series. So first is 3D series. Here the elements are there: scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. Now how can you remember them? Just remember that science teacher very cruel, science teacher very cruel, मांगे फेयर कॉपी, साइंस टीचर वेरी क्रूल, मांगे फेयर कॉपी, निकालते क्यों नहीं जनाब, निकालते क्यों नहीं, निकालते क्यों नहीं, it will be taken together, जनाब. So science teacher very cruel, मांगे फेयर कॉपी, निकालते क्यों नहीं जनाब. See the 4D series, यारी जरा, you can say J or Z, यारी जरा निभा, मौत तक, यारी जरा निभा मौत तक, रुकावट, it means any hindrance, बाधा, रुकावट, you can make it more clear, रुकावट, राह में, रुकावट राह में पड़े, रुकावट राह में पड़े, आगे, रुकावट राह में पड़े, आगे कूद. So this is the second series. Third is ला, हफ्ता, HAFTA. Now both these are included in the word hafta. ला हफ्ता वसूल रे, ला हफ्ता वसूल रे, otherwise, ला हफ्ता वसूल रे, otherwise इधर पिटाई और होगी. So this is the 5D series. Now the last one is ऐसी रफ्तार, ऐसी रफ्तार दबा सिंघम. Now Singham is very famous these days. ऐसी रफ्तार दबा सिंघम भागा, हंस मिटा देश, हंस मिटा देश, रंगीन कैन. ऐसी रफ्तार दबा सिंघम भागा, हंस मिटा देश, रंगीन कैन. Okay, so in that way you can remember this the member of this 3D, 4D and 5D series. So we'll discuss more in the next video.